All right, guys. So obviously we got some issues. All right, guys. I think I'm ready to finish this fence. All right, so let's get our tools together. This video is brought to you by plasticbucketfortools.com. Not really. I'll just throw this in here. All we got to do is screw up the boards today. Obviously, we got to take care of some business real quick, though. Comment if you've ever driven to the gas station because you don't want to use the porta potty. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a drill battery on the charger now. Drilling through these hardwood boards is a battery eater. All right, so to make sure everything is even and the same that it is over here, I hold this just up next to the old fence and then mark where the boards are, and this is just my stick, my template stick. Now I'll hold that next to the new posts, and then I'll put a screw in there for the board to sit on while I then screw it into the post. All right, so I got these marks here, so I'm gonna put a screw in line here, and then I'll be able to set one of these fence boards and rest it on this screw while I get it lined up and everything, and then be able to screw it to the board. I suppose there's a few different ways that you could do this. You know, I could run a string line to make sure these are all even. This is a short run, so I can pretty much kind of eyeball everything. Actually put the wrong screw up here, so we got one below the board on the next post and one above here. But I found it actually kind of helps. Now all we got to do is just screw it in. Okay, now here's where our chainsaw stills are going to come in handy, because this board here needs to cut off right in the middle of this post because the next board will join there. First, I'm going to screw it in, and then I'm going to run the chainsaw right down the middle. You can use a Sawzall, you could use a circular saw and set your depth. I just like using a chainsaw for this stuff. Okay, and those screws are ran over to this left edge, so we can go right down the center. And there we go. So now the next board can come and meet right in the center there. So we're just gonna continue this process and just keep putting this fence together. This is a pretty simple section. There's no gate or anything here. I'm gonna sweep the snow off these boards here so I don't have to deal with it. As you can tell, we're kind of fencing in a winter wonderland today. Fencing in a winter wonderland. Oh man. All right, guys, so on this post, in the first video I talked about this, I kind of put in the ground a little out of line of the other post. So I added this in here to bring the face of it out. Once we get those face boards on, you're not going to be able to tell anything. Again, it'll be like nothing ever happened. All right, guys. So obviously we got some issues. Oh man, this is getting all kinds of crooked. So I'm gonna redo something here. Put my marks up here and put my marks down there. I'm gonna run a string and I'm gonna mark it like that. Now I don't need to run 8 string lines down here. I just need to run 1. I'm gonna run this all the way down and I'll base the measurements off of that so it'll all be even going across. Anytime your plan is, I'll just eyeball it, never a good plan. All right, so here we go. We got this tied here, a couple half hitches, and we'll just walk down here and make our marks right there. Mark right here. Okay, now let's start putting this thing together. I'm just gonna do that run of board that I just marked all the way across. So then I'll mark everything off that and get this stuff straightened out. You can see that gap there compared to this gap here. Not good. Okay, now we got this nice even run of fencing here, and that's gonna set the baseline for what all the other boards are gonna be set off of. I'll go and mark off of this board and then basically just do everything that I've been doing for this entire video, except again, 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 again. Well, holy cow, guys, we about got her finished here. A beautiful thing, isn't it? Just gotta cut a couple of these 8-foot pieces here, 2 down there. That's gonna pretty much wrap her up. Glad we're able to be together today and we can laugh at my mistakes. Okay. Okay, that's good. Yeah, you know, stuff happens. At the end of the day, we figured it out, and that's all that matters, right? All right, guys, all we got to do is cut these vertical pieces. I go here and then snip off the top of the post. Down at this end, I forgot to bring my driver to remove these, so I'm gonna have to do that tomorrow, but that's fine because I can get all these verticals done, get this pretty much buttoned up. Don't have to be exact with these, just eyeball them. Eyeballing got us in trouble enough already though, didn't it? Just mark it with a screw. Now we just gotta chop it off with a chainsaw. All right, guys, we got our verticals fastened on. Now all we gotta do is bust up the chainsaw and give this fence a little haircut. And there we go, guys. This section of fence is done. Besides, obviously, those two boards, which we'll fix up tomorrow. And then, you know, the end of this thing is all going to be tied into this new fence going perpendicular. So a little more done. Feels good. Make progress one step at a time. Otherwise, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day. And I hope you're doing well.